Get more successful change management training with practical hands-on tools. Change management is more crucial than ever. Companies are rapidly upgrading technology while simultaneously implementing cultural and organizational changes to adapt to both internal and external forces. Without effective change management, many of these initiatives risk failure due to poor change adoption. But traditional change management training often falls short. Lectures and theoretical frameworks can leave participants feeling overwhelmed and unsure of how to apply their newfound knowledge in real-world situations. How can we bridge the gap between theory and practice in change management training? The answer lies in hands-on training methods that equip learners with practical skills and tools they can immediately implement. While traditional OCM training methods have their place, they can also result in theory overload, passive learning, and a lack of skills building. The power of hands-on learning, why doing, is key. Learning by doing is a fundamental principle of adult learning. A hands-on approach fosters a deeper understanding, builds confidence, and equips participants to tackle real-world challenges. How change management software can enhance your change manager training. Change management software can be a powerful tool for enhancing your OCM training programs. Software like OCMS Portal, with its built-in change management process, offers several benefits. 1. Structured approach. Change management software offers a comprehensive OCM framework, guiding learners through each stage of the process. 2. On-demand video tutorials. Instead of information overload, people can get help right when they need it through in-app video tutorials. 3. Task checklist. Pre-populated task lists help users learn change management by seeing the typical steps taken and when to take them. 4. Collaboration features. Collaboration features allow learners to work together on case studies and projects, fostering teamwork and shared knowledge building. 5. Automated OCM plans. Automated engagement and OCM plans are effective change management training, providing guidance and tips that are customized to project data. 6. Real-world application. OCM software can be used to manage real change initiatives in progress, allowing learners to apply their skills in a practical context. Learning by doing for lasting change management training impact. Change management is a complex skill set that requires not just theoretical knowledge, but also the ability to translate that knowledge into practical action. Hands-on learning methods utilizing change management software move beyond theory and equip participants with the tools and confidence they need to navigate change initiatives effectively. Software that teaches you how to do change management. Empower your team with the knowledge and skills they need to thrive in a changing world. Explore the OCMS portal today and discover how hands-on change management training can transform your organization. Sign up for a free trial today.